Today going to know what is million, billion and trillion. A million, it is 1,000 to 1,000 is called as million. Take as example, you have box and it filled with 1,000 pen and you have 1,000 of them is called as million, and it had 6 zeros. In billion, you have 1,000 million is called as billion. It had 9 zeros. In trillion, you have 1,000 billion is called as trillion. Each step like million, billion and trillion are multiplied by 1,000, like million, 1,000 million is a billion, and 1,000 billion is a trillion, and 1,000 trillion is a quadrillion. Same like 1,000 quadrillion, like gone. So for simplification, take as example, a million seconds is equal to 11.57 days, and a billion seconds is 31.7 years. A trillion seconds is 31,700 years. Million, billion and trillion are not have a small difference, they have a huge difference. So these are all the international numeric systems, that million, billion and trillion and quadrillion and so on are there in international numeric systems.